Why do people feel less hungry in hot weather? Various factors, including hormones, proteins, and the environment, influence why people tend to feel less hungry when it's hot. Scientists have long studied the effect of temperature on appetite. What we know is that people in colder environments tend to consume more calories, says Allison Childress, a nutritionist and associate professor at Texas Tech University. There's a biological reason for this. Calories are units of energy, and burning calories can release heat, helping people maintain body temperature in cold weather. But as winter fades and the weather warms up, people often find themselves feeling much less hungry. The scientific community is still unclear about the exact mechanisms behind this phenomenon. Childress points out that several factors can influence calorie intake. Matt Carter, a neuroscientist at Williams College in Massachusetts, agrees. According to him, many variables, including hormones, proteins, and environmental factors, affect how and why people feel hungry, as well as why this sensation decreases in hot weather. The human body is always trying to maintain stable internal conditions, a process known as homeostasis. This is why people sweat under the hot sun or drink water after intense exercise. Hunger is also a form of homeostasis. People feel hungry when their bodies are low on calories and full after eating. Many homeostatic processes are regulated by hormones, which act as chemical messengers in the body. Two hormones, ghrelin and leptin, play significant roles in hunger and satiety. The stomach releases ghrelin when it's hungry. Leptin, secreted by fat cells, signals the brain when the body is full. To influence human emotions and behaviors, these hormones send signals to the hypothalamus, a part of the brain that regulates aspects like body temperature, hunger, and thirst. Carter explains that at the base of the hypothalamus is a specialized group of neurons that coordinate feelings of hunger and fullness. Ghrelin stimulates hunger-related neurons known as AGRP, while leptin inhibits them and stimulates POMC neurons, which trigger feelings of fullness. However, the way temperature affects this complex system requires further study. The brain has heat sensors, which are proteins that change shape when the body reaches a certain warmth. A study published in the journal eLife in 2020 found that in mice, certain brain cells communicate with AGRP neurons at lower temperatures, increasing hunger. Another study in the journal PLOS Biology in 2018 discovered that POMC neurons have a type of heat-sensing protein that activates when body temperature rises. But, according to Carter, other neural circuits may also work together to influence the amount of food people consume. Humans have biological mechanisms related to hot and cold temperatures, but an important thing to know is that we can override these biological mechanisms, Childress says. Sometimes people lose the ability to listen to their body's signals, such as eating beyond fullness or not eating when hungry. Childress notes that in the summer, it's essential to stay hydrated, either by eating water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables or by drinking water directly. Frozen treats like ice cream may actually raise body temperature because they are often high in calories.